Welcome to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law. I created this video series because I wanted to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under it. Today, we're going to talk about workers' compensation settlements. And specifically, I'd like to speak to you about who pays workers' compensation settlements. Let's talk generally about what a settlement is. A settlement is an agreement between two parties to resolve a dispute. A workers' compensation settlement is basically an agreement to resolve a workers' compensation case. So you would give up your workers' compensation rights, generally in exchange for some lump sum payment of an amount of money. So who is going to pay that workers' compensation settlement? Well, there's going to be a responsible party in your workers' compensation case. Generally, it's your employer and or their workers' compensation insurance company. Most workers' compensation cases have insurance companies that are paying the workers' compensation benefits. But that's not the case in all workers' compensation cases. Sometimes you have a self-insured employer who pays the workers' compensation benefits or a group self-insured fund. But whoever is responsible for paying the workers' compensation benefits in your case is also going to be the party who would pay a workers' compensation settlement. Now, settlement's not anything that you can ever force your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company to do. It's voluntary in workers' compensation cases on their part and on your part. So you never have to settle your case if you don't want to. There are things that you can do to motivate or encourage the insurance company to settle your cases. And I've talked about some of those in other videos in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. So I'd encourage you to watch those other videos, which you can view at our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. And you can also subscribe there if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you do have some specific questions about workers' compensation settlements or other questions about Georgia workers' compensation law, I'd encourage you to reach out and get answers to those questions. I think the best way you can do that is by setting up a free consultation about your workers' compensation case. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, there's two easy ways you can do that. The first is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting our free consultation request form, or you can call our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. Someone will be happy to speak with you and set up a consultation for you. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I'd really like to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.